brain fog, headaches, anxiety, fear, panic, doom, just cannot survive. This happens a lot. We're seeing it all across many different patients, demographics, ages, and guess what? These people typically have been to other chiropractors. Check out these images, guys. We're seeing that this person's neck is on the straighter side. We're noticing that there's a rotation in their upper neck. That top bone is misaligned to the left. And so guess what? Once they experienced that first upper cervical specific adjustment that was unlike every adjustment they've ever had by other chiropractors, it was the first time in 37 years that their brain fog lifted. They could see the world clearly. Their vision improved. The headaches, no more headaches. And the anxiety, they felt an overwhelming sense of calmness. And to the point where they could actually listen to their kids. This was an amazing story because over the years, every time the kids would ask, Mom, what's going on? She couldn't hear them. And it was the first time that she could hear her kids clearly. That is why upper cervical specific chiropractic is not generic. It's not regular. It is in a league of its own. Dr. Chad, James Spinal Care.